beginning of the storm, and I hope my door wasn't locked. It was 6 degrees centigrade 2 hours ago. Now it's almost minus 10 with gusts up to 50 kilometers, going up to 100 kilometers in a couple of hours. Sorry for the fan, but I need it. I hope some of you are going to be smart and staying indoors. I'm doing this for demonstration purposes and how the Crown Vic operates. On how the Crown Vic operates in the snow. And underneath all this snow is black ice because it rained all day, and before it became very cold, it wasn't snowy or raining, and it all froze. So let's see how my winter tires perform in ice. Hold on. Okay, I was just checking to see, because as you noticed, I didn't have time to put my gloves on. It's mostly the wind. When it's not windy, it's tolerable. All right, YouTube. Let's see if I live or die. There's already been over 100 accidents. My brake lights work. Someone's there. Blew his stop sign. I should have gotten gas. I'm still not working, and my budget is starting to shrink. I forgot my cloth to clean the lens, so I hope it's not too wet. Now the problem is, my neighbor left before and he tore us underneath. So far so good, but he said he drove over what he thought was a snow bump, and it was actually ice. I'm not going to drive like a maniac. Just going as slow as I can. I'm going to have to put the fan up. Try and avoid where there's other cars. I don't want to get hit. Yeah, it's starting to get wet snow. Hold on, I'm gonna have to put the fan to max. I'm looking at the lens right now, and through the camera you can see clear, but for me as a driver, I can't. It's starting to fog up. I don't know about you other Crown Vic owners. This is the 6th pair of windshield wipers I've been using, and the driver's side is always the worst. So let me know if that's a common occurrence. So this is my view, right at my eye level. Sorry about the noise. Anyone's out there, I would recommend you stay home. It's that cold. Okay, I'm looking at the lens. It doesn't seem to be too wet. to have foam covers in the back on the sliding gates for a trunk, but I removed them recently. So that's what the sound is. I guess the heat's starting to work up. As you can tell, I'm not slipping much. I can feel the ice underneath. It's just how you press the pedal. Nice and smooth. Don't smack it. If there's someone else behind you, well, fuck it. They'll wait. Sorry. I usually have my window open when I smoke, but obviously I'm not having it open now. Hard braking, successful. Taking off, nice and smooth, no slipping. So once again, brake at the last minute. Not too bad. There's a guy following me, so I'm just going to make a quick U-turn. These fucking wipers. It's not the wipers, it's the wiper arm, I was told. So as you can hear, it's not little, it's not little tufts of snow on the street, it's blocks of ice. I think it's better if I run into potholes. wind is starting to pick up. I think I'll head back home. You get the idea. As long as you don't drive like an idiot, you can drive a Crown Vic anywhere, anytime. Last year, I drove through something similar where it was minus 50 from Montreal to Quebec City, and I was the only one on the road. So I didn't go fast. So I didn't have to go fast because of other people behind me. So when you drive like an idiot, or you hit the gas too hard at the stop signs, when you brake too fast, that's where you get into the accidents. And don't turn when you right away. Always drive a couple of feet, then you turn. That's how I do it. I hate assholes who drive their high beams. You people that drive your high beams, go fuck yourselves. So you see, I drive a couple of feet, then I do my turn. And what I don't do, I don't know if you can see it in the video, I do not drive in other people's tracks. I drive on the snow. More traction. If I drive where other people drove, when I go to a stop sign, I'm going to slide right away. Whereas if I stop on the snow, I can hit the brakes the last minute. There you go. Successful stop without ABS. Gently press the brake, gas. The car didn't swerve at all. Turn on the lights. You can see my speed. Just over 20 miles an hour. Stupid windshield wipers. All right, YouTube. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. If you are going to drive out, film it. Life is an adventure. And it's starting to feel better, so sorry for not making many videos. Plus my club is closing, so I've been trying to find another club that accepts new members and that has handguns. There's a lot of clubs here, but not all of them accept handguns. Drive safe, YouTube. Bye.